Well, then I guess we're gonna have to be careful.
Oh, bless you. What?
Oh shit! I didn't know we were taking off at that in a row.
Holy
Fucking
shit!
hell.
Oh my god, you were beneath me.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Did you get that on video though? Me going underneath him. Oh, good.
Did you
Save
get
it.
it on video how you almost crashed into me?
I didn't almost crash into you. Well, actually, yeah, I did.
Actually, you did.
I controlled it well though. I flew underneath you.
That fucking Tigris is dead.
I'm gonna do a really fucking fast flyby in a minute.
Oh, come on, that was a... Ah, there we go. Fucking get shit on.
Alright, are you ready? Are you ready, Freddy?
Wait, just as I destroyed the fucking AA site, they took the AO? Are you kidding me? Well, I'm coming in for a landing because I'm smoking. I took a hit while taking out the fucking Tigris. You know what I just did? I dropped the bombs, flew directly onto the Tigris, like dead onto the ground. Should have shot 2 rockets, but it was a direct hit. You crash. You crash.
What did that look like down there? How fucking close was that? Please tell me you got that on video. Good.